An important article was written in 2016, published in the Bureau of Investigative Journalism. How Big Pharma's industrial waste is fueling the rise in superbugs worldwide. First, what are superbugs? They are strains of bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi that are resistant to most of the antibiotics and other medications commonly used to treat the condition that the microbe causes. The most common are antibiotics that treat bacterial infections. This investigative report reveals that international facilities that manufacture pharmaceuticals are leaking industrial wastes. Ingredients used in antibiotics get in the local soil and water systems, leading to bacteria in the environment becoming resistant to the drugs. According to an independent review by economist Professor Jim O'Neill, if no action is taken, antimicrobial resistance will kill 10 million people worldwide every year. A spokesperson for Changing Markets stated, "Big Pharma's role in fueling drug resistance is all too often overlooked. Our research has shown that the industry is failing to take the necessary action to address the threat of a looming environmental and public health crisis in which it is playing a key part." Now, let's move ahead and review another article published in July 2020, entitled "India to Ban Antibiotic Pollution from Pharma Factories." This after a series of stories from the Bureau of Investigative Journalism, so kudos to them. The article reminds us that the growth of superbugs is one of the biggest public health crises facing the world today. Nearly 60,000 newborns a year die from superbug infections in India. If resistance keeps rising, people could once again die from common infections. So, India established strict testing limits of water for 121 antibiotics. And while the legislation is not perfect, it is a huge step in the right direction. Now for us, the bottom line, we must remain proactive with our health, not wait until we get sick and need an antibiotic or other medicine. But it is heartening to know that for so many people who obtain their medicines from India have a much better chance of getting a pure ingredient that are not leading to antibiotic resistance or contaminating the environment. And we will give you the links to these articles below. Thank you so much.